Meaning of Hopalong Cassidy.
Hopalong Cassidy.
Hopalong Cassidy.
Hopalong Cassidy.
Hopalong Cassidy. Hopalong Cassidy was a fictional cowboy character created in 1904. He was known for his distinctive appearance, wearing all black with a white hat, and his use of a silver-handled revolver. The name Hopalong was derived from the character's limp, which occurred after being shot in the leg. The character gained widespread popularity through a series of novels, comic books, and television shows. The enduring legacy of Hopalong Cassidy has made him an important figure in Western popular culture, and the name is still recognized today as a symbol of classic American cowboy stories.